Say again.
First Carl's Junior.
Is it?
That's obviously that's fast food. That building, the ornateness of it at the top.
Where it is?
You missed it.
I saw it, I did see it.
Right.
Go look at that thing up front there.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Wow. Interesting. I wonder what that building is down there.
It's like an industrial
Yeah.
cars area.
Nice.
Cars.
Sort of hearse.
Yeah.
Very modern hearse, very nice. Oh, lovely. There was a lovely 72 hearse for sale.
What's that?
£3,500.
Wow.
If I had it money, I'd buy it.
Did it need doing?
Not much, but
Juvenile Justice Centre, so must have some criminals down here.
well, it looks like a rough area, doesn't it?
Mm.
What is that
I
thing?
don't
It's
know
some...
what's all in there. There's a travel centre and sports complex that way. That restaurant's obviously closed because half the letters are missing.
Him
Yeah.
with his cap on and smoking.
Smoking,
Yeah.
how can he smoke on a motorbike? What's this? Oh. Tag office closed. What does that mean? Insurance. Oh, look at that little mural there. I don't know why the bird's in water.
So this is
Look
it.
there, there's a duck on the wall there.
A real one.
No, a mural duck.
Okay. Oh, it says the falls to the right.
Public house.
Right, so I think it's the falls. Oh no, yeah, they built some falls in a park.
Oh, right.
Not very impressive.
No.
That's an interesting little town.
It is very sort of industrial.
God, yeah, I mean.
Wow. A few cars about, so there must be something going on in these. There was like a pub just back there. Yoga. Oh, so interesting. Look at all the mural on the wall and cars and things.
Interesting, isn't it?
Wow. Downtown pharmacy, yeah? Okay. Oh, it's open as well. See, look, little sign. Restaurant supply. Open to the public, the restaurant supply was.
Wow.
Look at this, just flat building. The doors look a bit rubbish on there, so not being used, I don't think. Auto sales.
I'm just gonna hand your right down and see where it takes me. Is it a road? Yes, it is.
I have no idea.
Cow there?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, horse. Not a real one.
Look at that.
Look at that. Wow. Some nice things in there.
What is it? Kent
Art?
Centre for the Arts. Oh. Yeah.
Wichita Falls Times record news. Wow. New. Oh, it looks like it's closed.
Some interesting old like Route 66 stuff around. Little sign up there. I saw a sign down here.
Yeah.
There it is. Grag or something. What's that? Grag Motorco.
I've no idea. It's open as well, wherever it is. Fashion place over there.
How weird.
Wow.
What are you up there?
Golf. Beautiful little bush there. Look, we're turning it. Look. Woo! That was a gully.
What's it going?
Oh.
Oh, it's buzzed me again.
Oh.
No idea why. This is very desolate now, isn't it? Fashion garage. Fashion garage.
Oh, good star on it, yeah. Austin Street Apartments now leasing. It's an apartment block.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's haunted.
Yeah, obviously people living in it and they've got lots of flowers outside it. 2 men doing that building up, I would say, over there.
Got some ruffians down here.
Rough one, yeah. Oh god. Well, that's all got the windows smashed in, isn't it? Oh, what's and there's cars on the drive.
Yeah, there's a guy walking down the road here.
Yeah, did you see it?
Yes.
So somebody's, you know, the whole lot's been left. Shame. Education centre over there.
Guy sat there under the bridge.
Cool.
Guy wandering
area,
up. Yeah, there's all drunk, not drunks, but yeah.
Yeah, down and out.
That's the one.
A Mexican restaurant still open there. Right, detail shop.
Wow, Wichita Falls. It had got the smallest skyscraper, but it just looked like a little 2-story building.
Where?
I saw it on that
Right.
earlier on. I mean, it's all falling down.
Oh, they've got 3 cars over there. Oh, it's funeral places. Well, they look like funeral cars. Which way are you going?
This way. Okay, we now want.
That bus had a bike on the front, so bikers held it down and they put the bike on
Yes,
the
they got a rack on the front of it, which I think is very good.
Amazing.
Right, A44, we'll get across there somewhere.
Very strange.
What?
Looking places.
Yeah, Wichita Falls. At least I've recorded it, we've been there, done it.
To see them somewhere along here. It was advertised.
I'll have to get the computer out tonight and put some photos on.